Hello everyone, welcome back to your literature class. Today I'll continue the lesson which I have already started yesterday in my last session, and we have finished till uh, the campaign which was going on overnight in uh, in protest of wasting electrical energy. Okay, let's continue from how far we have completed after that. They gained wider recognition. The WWF launched an online platform called Connect to Earth. WWF. WWF means World Wide. The full form was over here. Worldwide Fund. You see, it's written over here. I'm showing you. It is over here. You can find it over here. Okay. So WWF launched a platform which was named Connect to Earth in collaboration with International Union for the Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and Nokia in 2008. 2008, they have made a organization, you can say, which will where people interested people can join, and they will raise up their voice in support of saving electricity. And this website has provided a good platform or good place for the individuals who love nature and who care about nature. Okay, day by day natural degradation is going on, habitats are getting removed. Okay, so the hashtag connect to earth has brought a large online community of people together. Sometimes it happens that when something wrong goes on, we feel that this is wrong, this should not be done, and we should protest. But we don't get a place to protest. We don't get a platform to protest. And this is a platform which has been provided by WWF, IUNC, and Nokia, that if people are really feeling, or if people have any type of um, respect or love towards the earth, towards the environment, then they should come forward and they should join their hands and try at least try to save the earth. And that was done. Then they made some campaigns there, some slogans were there regarding vote the earth, save the earth, love life, and so on. Okay, and Vote Earth, it took place in 2009. Then Beyond the Hour 2011, Change Climate Change 2015, Go More Green 2018, Reduce Risk Reuse, Change the Way We Live 2019. These were the campaigns every after the year they were going on. How did Earth Hour in India was celebrated? Hundreds and thousands of Indians showered their unprecedented support in 2009 by joining this movement. Several corporate banks were there, sectors were there. They also supported in the campaign. 50 cities and towns across the all over the India. They got the part of. They became the part of this campaign. And 27th March 2010, the lights at famous location in India such as India Gate, New Delhi, Gateway of India in Mumbai, Brigade Road, Bangalore, Christchurch in Shimla, Marine Drive in Cochin, and several others were switched off. এক ঘন্টার জন্য লাইট বন্ধ করে দেওয়া হয়েছিল। নর্মালি এই জায়গাগুলোতে লাইট বন্ধ করা হয় না, but just to show that India is also supporting you, they have switched off the light in these renowned places. Okay, and other initiatives were also taken, like leaving of plastics, cleaning beach and lakes. Then the products which were being thrown away were tried to be recycled, and so on. And trees were planted. People were made conscious about implementing their works in support of the environment. Okay, some contributions which Earth Hour had was Worldwide Fund of protest forest in Uganda measure level became 6,000 hectares. It increased. Second, in Madagascar island, wood saving stoves were distributed, where woods were less used for burning. Third, Earth Hour campaign bill in Argentina, Banco Namucara, Birdwood, they passed out a bill that use less percentage of wood, burn less so that environment will not get polluted so much. And then solar power lights were implemented in different places where people used to use solar power lights, and so they were electricity, they were uh, reducing the use of electricity. Now, what are the now? Everything has a positive and negative effect. Okay, these were the positive effects. Now we will learn about the negative effects. Lots and lots of criticisms came. People could not take it so gladly. Okay, so criticism came in huge amount. Protecting Earth from global warming, it was pointed out that an hour of darkness is futile as the power generating plants are working even during that hour. When there is a power station and suddenly for 1 hour the power is shut off, then all the works get stopped, and the power which is continuously generating, that becomes hindered, and this hindrance was causing huge loss. So this was the excessive and dangerous criticism which this 1 hour save earth or 1 hour earth had to face. Now everyone was, maximum people were feeling that those who are switching off the lights for 1 hour, they are trying to show us the dark age of India. Means if everything is going to become black, then what situation we have to face? This was completely a wrong calculation. And then many critics also highlighted that Earth Hour is a feel good movement wherein people are proud of themselves for contributing for the environment for an hour. Now, some criticisms of the critics were there. They were telling that 1 hour of losing light means we all are burning fuel, means we are burning candles, we are burning your natural lights, which is destroying the small uh, small insects, you can say. Okay, and so this is very good and healthy hour for the people because they are feeling that they are, at least they are doing something in support of their earth. And that's it. In this way, some consumption took place, or some savings also took place, but negative part was also really very hindering, and this practice could not be sustained longer. But I have a humble request to all of you. You all have grown up. When you are releasing from one room or when you're releasing from one place, please switch off the light. Children, these are our property. These lights, trees, environment, all these are our privileges, our property. And it is our duty to maintain our property. If we will destroy them, then who will come to maintain? Okay. So I believe you all will definitely understand and follow up the same thing. Till then, take care. I'll be back with you very soon along with the next chapter. Bye bye.